everyone. Welcome to Photography for Kids. My name is Phil Ebner, and I'm really excited to have you here. And this is the introduction lesson. So in this lesson, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this class, what to expect, and how much fun we're going to be having in this class. So I'll tell you all about that. But first, let me introduce to you my brother, my partner for this class, Anthony. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm in 7th grade and like reading. I'm looking forward to learning about photography with Philip.
Nice. Anthony, we're so happy to have you here. If you've seen any of my other Udemy courses or online classes, I usually do them solo, but for this one, I thought bringing in my brother to be our model student would be a perfect way for us to hang out over summer. So what is this class all about? It's photography for kids, or basically beginners. And so in the first few lessons, I'm going to teach you about the camera, the history of the camera, and how to actually use the camera the best way as a kid. And so Anthony, what he's going to be doing is learning along with us. I'm going to be showing him, demonstrating, and he'll be right here kind of showing you guys how to properly do it as well. After we learn about the camera, we learn about taking photos, and learn a little bit more about the theory of taking photos, we're going to have some fun and actually go take some photos. So that's basically the start of this course is going to be theory and talking about the camera. And then the last part of the course is really going out and taking photos. And we have 12 weeks of fun photo projects for you and your kids or whoever's taking this class. So we have 12 weeks. Each week is going to be a different photo project. For example, at the start, we're going to be learning and talking about taking pictures of like household objects, plants, architecture. So each week we're going to pick a different theme, and then we're going to go out and go shoot some photos. And you're going to see us going out and shooting. We'll talk about the technique as we shoot, and then we're going to show you the photos that Anthony gets as our student, and we're going to talk about the photos and look at them and see how great they are and maybe what we could do next time to make them better. And then later on, the lessons and the projects get more interesting as we do weeks such as be a photojournalist for a day, where we're going to go find a story, real or imaginative, and actually take a couple pictures and then write a story about it as if you were a real photojournalist working for a newspaper. We'll have scavenger hunts and lots more cool, fun projects for the kids. And it's going to be, it will take up half hour to an hour each week if you want to do it at that pace, which is what I suggest. So this is a fun class for kids who are homeschooled, kids are home for summer, or just kids that want to learn about photography. And it's going to be a nice break for the parents, as the kids will be able to go out, take their photos, and spend some time practicing the art of photography. So Anthony and I will see you in the next lesson. If you have any questions about this course or about anything photo related, you can always contact me through the course page or visit my website, videoschoolonline.com, where you can find lots of great free articles, tips, tricks, and other videos about video creation, photography, and all things being creative. So I enjoy talking to you. I enjoyed having my brother in this lesson, and we're really looking forward to the rest of these lessons for you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside.